Account takeovers are one of the fastest growing threats in e-commerce. But with the right tools, you can stop them before they happen. Here's how you can protect your users with the FraudLabs Pro ATO Fraud Prevention. Firstly, ensure your FraudLabs Pro account is on a medium plan or higher to unlock ATO Fraud Prevention. If you don't have an account yet, you can subscribe by visiting fraudlabspro.com. Next, embed the enhanced agent JavaScript from the agent JavaScript settings page into your website. This enables advanced device fingerprinting and user identification. You can identify up to 5 important pages for advanced tracking, like login, checkout, and so on. Then, integrate the Screen User API into your login and registration flows to receive real-time risk scores. The system analyzes data such as IP, proxy, email, phone number, and device fingerprints. Define risk thresholds by logging into the User Rules Management page to control how suspicious activities are handled. Configure real-time alerts in the FraudLabs Pro settings page under the User Transaction Notification section. When any suspicious activity is detected or the user score exceeds your threshold, FraudLabs Pro instantly notifies you via email or Slack. Finally, improve accuracy over time by feeding back your manual review results, helping to refine the machine learning and risk scoring. With FraudLabs Pro ATO Fraud Prevention, you can detect threats early, respond instantly, and keep your users and your business safe. Start preventing account takeovers today.